Hey, welcome back to another video. Today we are checking out the DJI Mini 5 Pro, the latest release of the DJI Mini series. This drone was sent to me by my friends at DJI Costa Rica to create some cool content together. I got the chance to use it for a couple of days and test out some of its new features. So in this video we're gonna talk about this new drone. What has changed compared to the Mini 4 Pro, and what are the new features it brings. At first glance, it keeps the same idea as the Mini series, a compact lightweight drone for creators that want professional quality in a very portable package. It's still a very great drone for travels, hikes, content creation, all those things, but the real improvements start to show when we look at the camera systems. One of the most interesting upgrades is the 50 megapixel sensor. This gives us two major advantages. Recover more details from the highlights and the shadows, and second, more flexibility when color grading, which especially helps us when we're trying to get that cinematic look with our footage. It also records in 4K and up to 120 frames per second, which means we can play around a lot with the slow motion and the creative shots. Another interesting feature is the new 225 rotating gimbal. The Mini 4 Pro, which was the previous version, just included a vertical and horizontal gimbal rotation, but not the whole angle range, just like the new one. And so while DJI has included this feature in its previous drone models and series, it's the first time we see this capability in the Mini series, which makes it such a useful addition in such a compact drone. I had tons of fun trying to get used to this new feature, rotating the camera while you're flying. It gets tricky at first, but at the end, it's just worth with all the shots and footage you get. In terms of safety, it introduces improved obstacle detection with LiDAR support. This helps the drone better understand its environment and improves obstacle detection, especially in low light conditions or more complex environments like forests or mountains. Overall, the DJI Mini 5 Pro looks like a solid evolution in the Mini series. It keeps the compact size we all love, but it also introduces meaningful upgrades in camera quality, safety sensors, and creative control. If you already own a Mini 4 Pro like I do, the decision to upgrade will depend on how much you value the new sensor or features like the rotating gimbal. But if you're looking for a compact drone with powerful camera capabilities, the DJI Mini 5 Pro might be for you. Check it out by yourself in DJI stores or in the online store. Until next time.